Vision. CPEC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of Republic Act 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instructions for special purposes and to promote research and extension service, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. The CPC Quality Policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher professional technical instruction, research, extension, and production services. Advanced studies in progressive leadership in agriculture teaching, education, engineering and computer studies, industrial technology, arts and sciences, tourism, business, and public administration. To achieve this, the CPC shall first deliver quality service to stakeholders. Second, adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards. Third, adapt changes in educational system as required by law. Fourth, forge agreement with the SUCs and line agencies locally and internationally. Fifth, update the qualification and strengthen competencies of faculty members. Sixth, improve its key process and procedures in delivering quality instruction and relevant research and extension services. And seventh, pursue continual improvement on quality management system as higher learning institution and partner in sustainable development. CPEC objectives. First, to offer excellence and relevant baccalaureate degree program in agriculture.
Go.
Second, to produce quality instructional materials relevant to degree program.
Go.
3. To inculcate moral values for total human development.
Go.
Fourth, to produce quality researchers relevant to local, regional, and national development goals. Fifth, to package related agricultural technologies for farmers, fisheries, and other stakeholders.